Hi, Assalamualaikum. Today we will present about project Business Intelligence. So in this group we have 3 persons. I'm Shazeera and another 2 is Nurin Fatini and Yasmin Irdina. So this is our report content. As you can see in our report we have introduction, database creating and data visualization. And for introduction, we have introduction of the system, problem statement and objective. Next is introduction of the system. In this project, we create a form data that need to visualize the data. When the data transformed to visualization using infographics, it used to better communicate through innovation is good as our ability to share. And when the data is properly visualized, our message is easier to understand and more impactful. Using data visualization allows us to draw everyone into the story in more creative ways. It can help us to know what user want and what user need rather than trying to guess or wade through a sum of information. Next is problem statement. So we have 3 problems here. And in problem 1, in order to prove worth of the data, it is important to understand in what way visualize add value to an organization. One of the main challenges remains to identify the value as the result of visualization implementation and the impact of organizational performance. And for the problem 2, in this project we use infographics and we agree that it could add value. Then we create dashboard to visualize the data. We search data from the internet, which the data is open source. We search it at www.data.gov.my. We collect the data using Excel and we create the dashboard or visualization using Power BI. And lastly, for problem 3, the data from Excel have many overlapping workloads. There are numerous fragile data between them, and the organization has no real data management in one place that could make the purpose more interesting. So that's all for me, and I will pass to my next member. Thank you.
My name is Nurin Fatini. My part is about objective of our project. So based on our project, we were assigned to visualize a data and show the process of turning information into picture for a specific purpose. Basically, we used to consider the graph and dashboards and the final output as a data visualization. Furthermore, the data we wanted to present is based on Senarai Persatuan Sukan Negeri Perak 2020. The primary purpose of the data is facilitate understanding and to communicate with the values quickly. We obtain the data from the internet as our data in Excel spreadsheet. Then the data for the data visualization, we choose Power BI to turn our source of data into an interactive insight. Next is database creating. So this is the database that we download from the internet. So we have spots here and the name of persatuan. We also have the address, email, number, telephone number. So the data that we have is 39. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Thankyou. My name is Yasmin Irdina and I'm going to present about data visualization. We present the data that is visualized using Power BI. The data in the Excel has 2 types of columns. It is an information of the association that will hold the spot in the state of Perak. The information list contains what spot, name or association, number, building, address, postcode, region, city, state, email, and phone number. In the previous slide, we mentioned we use Power BI in this project. We create 3 different visualization tools, which is pie chart, stack column chart, and clustered column chart. The first one is pie chart. The data in this pie chart represent the spot and postcode. It used to compare multiple data and the percentage of association from which regions. Each of colored slice represent the spot of the association. The filter on this visual is the detail of sukan and postcode. The second one is stack column chart. Filters on this visual is daerah and postcode and sukan. The bar chart displays sukan and the bar chart displays sukan as horizontally. Then for vertical plotted as postcode and the different color display as daerah. We can easily identify that the highest in this chart is Kinta region. Meanwhile, the lowest in this chart is from Nibong Tebal. It shows that Kinta region has many association spots in the Perak state. The third one is clustered column chart. The filter on this visual is bandar, count of number and daerah. The daerah display as horizontal, for the vertical display as count of number. And the bandar is for the legend. This one also show that Kinta region is the highest association spot in Perak state. That's all from me. Thank you.